Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to double unbox this mystery unboxing. My wife ordered this, so I'm not sure even what this is. So just going to be a mystery unboxing for you guys to check it out. Let's go ahead and then get this started. Make sure there's no invoice. Why would they need a big box for this? It seems like a tote bag. T initial canvas tote bag. It is 17 inch by 7.5 inch by 11.5 inch. Mud pile. 2009. Mud pie. Stone Mountain, Georgia. Made in China. Everything is made in China. Check out this tag. So yeah, it's the same thing. Got this tie ribbon right here. You have to this silicone gel to keep it dry. There's this black cardboard for the bottom. Let's see. There's also a tag right here. It's an RN number right here. So we can zoom in. "100% cotton, made in China." I guess that's the care instruction. On the bag is plain. So yeah, this tote bag looks pretty sturdy, okay? Let's go ahead and open this one up. So it looks like the same bag, but somehow this one has the air bubble wrap. It's the same bag except this one has the initial B. Okay? So I'm not sure B is for as a gift, so I'm not going to open this one up. Anyway, it's the same one as this, so I'm just going to leave the way it is. Alright, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.